Well, it is day 11 or 12 of self-isolation. Isolation. Um, just got back from the grocery store and the booze run and the post office. And we are living in a brave new world, pardon the pun. Uh, from now until the end of the year, we are going to be getting readjusted to a new paradigm in the world. Uh, People such as myself who already have social anxiety are going to find it very difficult, especially if you're an introverted person or are used to spending a lot of time by yourself. Going to the grocery store is already hard, but now you have to go to the grocery store and interact with people at a 2 meter distance at all times. You're very aware of touching surfaces that you normally wouldn't touch, that other people have touched, and it increases your level of stress hormone, specifically cortisol. Um, so these are my tips in the age of COVID-19. As the last introvert, as my channel suggests, uh, remember first and foremost to be here now. Your best tool and tactic for that is breath work. If you feel stressed or overwhelmed or out of your comfort zone, that sort of thing, it's very important to just take a deep breath, let it out slowly, and don't let your stimuli, your outside environment, overwhelm you. Um, this is why I avoid places like bars, large crowds, concerts, because for the most part, those are very stressful, cortisol-inducing places for me. Um, Exercise. We are now doing home workouts. This is going to be normal. I see lots of CrossFit gyms transitioning. I see lots of regular gyms transitioning to online courses and online groups to help people work out at home. Get an Amazon Prime membership, order some weights, some floor mats, and do push-ups. Do your own little circuit at home, whatever it is, whatever it takes. Like I personally, if you can see behind me, have my own rings and my own pull-up bar, chin-up bar. I also have my yoga mat behind me and my own push-up dips. This is a great time to catch up on creative projects, things you may have fallen behind on or wanted to start working on or that sort of thing. I personally, I'll take some pictures of it later, have been mind mapping uh, the businesses that I want to set up for myself, including YouTube. I mean, this is, first and foremost, it's a platform, but second of all, YouTube is a business, right? Google Google sells ad space to people for time and attention. But this channel is not about money. It's about helping people, specifically people who are maybe as introverted as I am and are looking for advice and self-help to move forward in their life. in a non pushy or markety sort of way. Like I don't enjoy being marketed to, so why would I do that? So I'm just genuinely here to help. I want to reach out and reach as many people as I possibly can with my channel, especially in this time of social distancing, isolation. Uh, it's very stressful. People are losing their jobs. I thankfully still have my regular job, my regular gig, which I'm going back to this week. But yeah, if you're sad or lonely or just need a friend, feel free to reach out to my channel, either my socials, at BillETE on Instagram and Twitter, and I will do my best to answer. I hope everyone is staying safe and just do your best to breathe and be here now. And in 6 months from now, hopefully we'll just laugh at this and be like, oh yeah, that thing that happened in early 2020. No worries. We came together, and now I have this amazing business. I can work from home, and I have my workouts dialed in now, and I conquered my social anxiety. I can go to the store, and I don't feel stressed or overwhelmed. I can just go pay for my groceries and go home. All right. Have a great day, guys. Cheers.